even this shit crank.
What's up, what's good? It's me. So as you can see, I already started, and what I'm gonna be doing, this gonna be the ghetto routine to being a baddie, you feel me? Because this is what I do. I'm gonna be putting on this joint right here. You know, this motherfucker really red. I did this myself. I'm very proud of myself. I'm finna have to edit the shit out this video, Lord. Anyway, y'all already slicked down my hair because the bitch don't know how to braid for shit. And what I'm gonna be doing is putting it in like 2 ponytails or 2 little twisty braid thingy things. I don't fucking know. But we just gonna do that for right now because ever since I regrown my hair back, I never knew how to fucking, you feel me, braid fucking hair. So I'm finna use these things my friend Lee gave me at the beauty supply store. He gave me a whole motherfucking pack, okay? He gave me samples after samples because I'm that bitch. We ain't finna use no gossipy glue. I don't have no edges. I look like I ain't got no eyebrow. None. But it's okay because I shaved off my eyebrows. I got a thing with me razors and motherfucking hair. Okay? I got obsessed with cutting, so I've been cutting for a long time now. I'm just finna, like, you know, brush that back, try to do what I do. You know how I do. Hold on. This got my hair a little laid. Oh, this squeaky ass chair, this shit. We ain't finna use no gossipy glue. Yeah, I need my ponytail holders. Where my ponytail holders? So I kind of parted it already in the most ghetto fashion this way. Just gonna put our hair in 2 little bitty ponytails all the way in the back, like at the nape. Okay, I need you to go to the nape. I got my 2 ponytails now. I'ma just tighten them, you know, tighten them all the way in the back, and boom. Got your 2 little ponies, okay? I part them into 2. I make sure they're tight. And I twist them as tight as I most possibly can because I don't need no lump bumps and motherfucking humps in my motherfucking hair. Gonna make sure that side tight too, you know, you feel me, shadig, shadog. We just gonna connect this one to this. You see how this side flat, you feel me? It look like I got that fresh slick back. Thank you. Damn, I need some. This ain't finna work. I need some bobby pins. That shit in the bathroom. Hold on. I'm back. Oh, this out. This cute.
What the fuck is this?
You don't need to like really bobby pin this shit down unless you got some braids. Then you good. You good. My motherfucking lip gloss is just overlapped as fuck. Do the same on this side for me. Tight as you can. Don't be pulling your hair follicles out, but do it as tight as you can. My hair thick as fuck, so it's like this ain't gonna. This really ain't gonna work on this side. And Kapuya, I got this wig cap. You always gonna want to get you a little wig cap. No, they got some that's like different colors. That some are darker. It don't really matter to me because at the end of the day, I'm gonna put some powder on her so it can blend into my actual scalp. But what you really gonna do? I don't really do what the people be doing like that because, you know, it don't be staying on my head like it's supposed to. So I just put it like right here. You gonna need your scissors or a razor, doesn't matter as long as it cuts. You're gonna need to peel these muffin caps back blue. And you're gonna need to take your ear at the what's next. You don't have to do this if you don't care about your edges. Then you can most definitely skip this step because Baby, if you don't care, I don't care. Be yourself. Less edges, less problems. The fuck? Spray it on here and, you know, try to blend it with your hair. I don't have no blow dryer or nothing. I'm just gonna apply my I'm gonna apply my powder. Okay, with this part of the ghetto tutorial, I decided to do a T-shape with the powder because the wig is a T-parted wig. So, yeah. After that, I'm gonna take my scissors. Please, don't cut your edges. And these scissors are fucking trash. Like, I cut too much off right here. It was a green wig that I had. It was like a lime green, or I don't know, a mint green. I don't know what the fuck to call it, but it was one of them colors. And I dyed it with Adore. I think it was Truly Red. It was Truly Red and another intense color. It's a T-part wig, and it has 2 combs in the front. It has an adjustable strap and another comb in the back. Now, I don't really like this wig, honestly, but I'm just gonna try to get into the holiday spirit. I don't do this Valentine Day stuff. I don't really mess with it. Y'all be cute, you feel me? Y'all be cute. Me, on the other hand, I don't really mess with Valentine's Day like that. Fortunately, I got me a new man now. And he does his shit. Now, what I'm using is my Ghost Line glue. And it's all rusty, dusty, and dandy, I know.
A few minutes later.
Apparently, the Ghost Line glue was not trying to be on my side today, and I had a whole fight with the bitch. And, you know, eventually I won because it's on my forehead now. I just went ahead and applied it as dry as I think it can get, because I've been waiting a little minute. Make sure your part is in the middle. Light it up a little bit. And kapooyah. And then you're gonna do another kapooyah, and boom. At this point, you really got your wig on. So now you officially a bad bitch. And wherever you need to apply more glue, please do, because you don't need it to be lifting. I'm just not liking this look. What if I add a little bit of makeup to it? You feel me? Maybe it'll look a little. I don't know, man. It's kind of hard. I don't really. Now what I'm going to use is the foam. You can use any wrapping lotion type foam thing or whatever you want to use. I'm going to use my little tool, you feel me? Just do like this little side, you know. Slick that down a little. I better not fucking fall. So for this part, I ended up going back and doing my edges over because I don't know what the hell these shits was, but you know, we had to do what it do for the moment. Yeah, me and baby hairs just don't mix. I don't know what the fuck this is. I did my little edges off camera. Now I'm gonna take my hot comb. What I'm doing is hot combing it back. That way I can have that like kind of when I style it, and you know, boom, boom, pow. And then what I'm gonna do is kind of like pinch it up with my finger and my thumb. You know. And I'm just gonna separate it. I hope you like it, and I hope it was a little informational for y'all, because I don't really do this. This is my first video on the channel, and I just hope you really enjoyed it and, you know, gain something from it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for the next video, because it's gonna be motherfucking lit. Peace, y'all.